Hey everyone, welcome back to The Big Sweep. I'm Kelly, and today I'm going to show you how to bring stinky, tired towels back to life with no harsh chemicals. This is a brilliant laundry hack. If you've ever experienced the disappointment of pulling out stinky, tired towels from the laundry, or using a clean towel for the first time, and then it smells musty and gross, you're not alone. But fear not, because today we've got a game-changing laundry hack that'll bring those towels back to life without using any harsh chemicals. So grab your stinky towels and let's get started with this brilliant method. But before we begin, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to The Big Sweep, and ring that notification bell so you never miss out on our amazing tips and hacks. And hey, if you've got your own method for refreshing towels, drop it in the comments below. We love hearing from you. Now, let's jump into the magic formula to revive your towels. All you need is 1 cup of white vinegar. Yep, that's it! Throw your stinky towels into the washing machine, set it to the heavy-duty cycle, and use hot water, the hottest water available. If your washer has an extra rinse option, it may be helpful for this process. The white vinegar is a natural odor eliminator and will work wonders on those stubborn smells. It will also help to break up and remove any residue from past detergent or fabric softener. But we're not stopping there. After the first wash, don't dry the towels. Instead, leave them in the washer and get ready for round 2. This time, add 1 cup of baking soda to the washer. Run the same heavy-duty cycle with hot water and the extra rinse if it's available. Baking soda acts as a fantastic fabric freshener, and together with the vinegar, it creates a powerful combo to banish odors and revitalize your towels. Quick note, during both washes, avoid using any fabric softener or detergent. We want the vinegar and baking soda to work their magic without any interference. When the second wash is finished, put the towels into the dryer for as much time as needed. Don't use any dryer sheets in the dryer either. They can leave a waxy film on your towels, causing them to be less absorbent. Let us know in the comments below how you like this brilliant laundry hack. When your towels are dry, you will notice how clean and fresh they smell without fabric softener. You can also use this hack for nasty-smelling kitchen towels. They will come out just as fresh and clean-smelling as your bath towels. It's a simple, eco-friendly, and budget-friendly way to bring your stinky, tired towels back to life, and I know you have the necessary items in your pantry. Trust me, your nose will thank you later. And of course, leave a comment below with your own towel refreshing methods. Sharing is caring. Click here to learn how to make DIY all-natural laundry soap. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and ring the notification bell so you stay in the loop with the Big Sweep's awesome hacks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.